news coming in from Telangana. Film star Allu Arjun will have to appear virtually before the Nampally court today. This will be in connection with the Sandhya theatre Stampede case. The Nampally court had previously remanded Allu Arjun to 14 days judicial remand, and that would end today. The actor was granted an interim bail, however, remember, by the Telangana High Court. But the actor will have to inform the same to the Nampally court. The actor's bail petition likely to come up for the argument as well in the court. So that's the big news coming in. Remember that Allu Arjun has been facing massive controversy ever since the Stampede took place. While many say he was at the theatre when the chaos and commotion broke out, leading to the loss of life of one woman, many injured, including her own child, who is still critical. Right now, while he has claimed complete innocence, the political establishment believes that actors also need to take accountability. But it's also a collective failure, isn't it? The fact that there was not enough police deployment despite the crowd expected during the premiere. Then Allu Arjun arrives. The police says not enough information shared with them. And then the theatre premises clearly was not equipped to handle the kind of crowd that congregated. And in this collective failure, a family has lost a mother and a wife. At this point, he will have to again be coming forward with regard and in front of the Nampally court. That's why virtually, however, so he doesn't have to go in person. But he did get an interim bail though by the Telangana court. But there was also the Nampally court that had remanded him to 14 days judicial remand, and that ends today. So that's the reason that we may expect this development also to come in a short while. But it could be interesting what happens thereafter. Actor's bail petition likely to come up for argument, but the legal trouble hasn't really ended for him, and that question I take to my colleague Apurva Jayachandran. Apurva, so tell us about the legal protocol today, and this also means it's not all freedom right away for Allu Arjun.
Well, that's right, Pooja. In fact, what we are hearing is that, remember, the Telangana High Court had given time for 10 days, until December 30th. And there was also a hearing today in which Allu Arjun had also joined virtually for this meeting as well. His lawyer was in fact present at the Nampally High Court, Nampally Court, where this, case hearing had gone on. What we are getting to hear is that regarding Allu Arjun's bail petition, in fact, the public prosecutor had sought time to file a counter. And following that as well, today the Nampally court has adjourned the hearing until, that is Monday, that is until 30th December. And what we are hearing is that likely his Allu Arjun's judicial remand is also adjourned until January 10th. These are the latest updates there we're getting. Remember, Allu Arjun had been arrested in relation to the Sandhya theatre case there, in that accident.
So there's been an adjournment. At least, does this mean some relief coming in, at least for the first week of January? But a lot to ponder about the collective failure, I say, that has happened at the Sandhya theatre. Apurva, thank you very much for now. I'll come back to you in just a short while.